Parental controls. To keep your family safe, you can easily set up parental controls to limit what they see. Every Sky Glass or Sky Stream Puck in your home can have its own parental control settings. To change your parental control settings, press Home and scroll down to Settings. Select Parental, then Manage Parental Settings and put in your PIN. You can turn Family Settings to On, which will add a PIN to watch age-rated programs during the day, and request a PIN for any purchases, or go to Ratings to choose which age-rated movies will need a PIN to be watched. Please be aware that apps have their own parental control settings, so when you're watching anything via an app, like Netflix, your Sky Glass family settings won't apply. You can set parental controls with each separate app provider, or if you prefer, you can set your Sky PIN to be requested at all times before launching an app. For more information, go to sky.com/pin or say My Sky to your Sky Glass.